We guide you through how to make welcome channel on Discord so new members feel greeted right away. First thing you need to do is to open your server and click create channel button. Then choose text channel and name it something like welcome or start here. After creating it, right click the channel, go to edit channel and adjust the permissions so only admins or boots can send messages, keeping the channel clean and organized. Next, you'll need a boot that supports welcome message, popular choices including MAE6, Dino, and Carl Boot. Go to Boot's official website, click Add to Discord, and authorize it for your server. Once the boot inside, open its dashboard and look for the welcome or greetings feature. Turn it on and select your welcome channel and customize the message, whether you want a simple welcome to the server or something more creative with rules, links, or emojis. Save your settings, then test it by inviting a test account or asking a friend to join. When new members enter, the bot will automatically send your custom message in the welcome channel, making your server look organized and professional.